In this video, we're going to be looking at where circles cross the x and y axis. So the method to this is the exact same as when you have a line and you want to find out where that line crosses the x and y axis. So the method, as you can see in the yellow box there, is to find where the graph cuts the x-axis, you substitute y equals 0 into your equation. To find where the graph cuts the y-axis, you substitute x equals 0 into your equation. Okay, so in this question here, we want to find where the circle x plus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 13 meets the x and y axis. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find out where it cuts the x-axis. And to do that, we substitute y equals 0 into the equation. Okay, so I still have x plus 3 all squared plus now, so y is replaced with 0, so minus 2 all squared equal to 13. Okay, so I have x plus 3 all squared. Now, 0 minus 2 is just going to be minus 2, and minus 2 squared is going to be 4. Now, I can bring 4 to the other side, which will become minus 4. So then I have x plus 3 all squared equal to 9. Now, to get rid of the squared here, what I can do is I can square root the other side. So I'm going to have x plus 3 all squared equal to square root 9. So that gets me x plus 3 equal to now plus or minus 3. So be careful here, because when you square root a number, you always have a plus or minus answer. Because if I do minus 3 squared, I also get 9. Likewise, if I found the square root of 25, my answer would be plus or minus 5. Okay, so this means x plus 3 is equal to 3, and also x plus 3 is equal to minus 3. So bring 3 to the other side here, it would be minus 3. So that means x is equal to 3 minus 3, which is 0. The other one then, bring the 3 to the other side, again minus 3. So minus 3 minus 3, x is equal to minus 6. So that means my coordinate is 0, 0, and minus 6, 0. So they're the 2 points where this graph cuts the x-axis. You can see as well how my y part is automatically 0, because remember I substitute y equals 0 into the equation. Now, if I want to find where it meets the y-axis, so all I need to do then is substitute x is 0 into the equation. So let's do that. Okay, so now in my equation I'm going to have 0 plus 3 all squared plus y minus 2 all squared equal to 13. So 0 plus 3 is just going to be 3, and then 3 squared is going to be 9. Then plus y minus 2 all squared equal to 13. Bring the 9 to the other side now, and it'll become minus 9. So then I'm going to have y minus 2 all squared equals 13 minus 9, which is 4. So just like the question on the left, to get rid of the squared, you square root the other side. So y minus 2 now is equal to the square root of 4. So y minus 2 is equal to plus or minus 2. So I have y minus 2 is equal to 2, and y minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So working out the one on the left first, minus 2 to the other side becomes plus 2. So that means y is equal to 2 plus 2, so y is equal to 4. So that coordinate will be 0, 4. For the other one then, bring the minus 2 to the other side, becomes a plus 2. So then minus 2 plus 2, that would be 0. So that coordinate then is 0, 0. And that's then the 2 points where the circle crosses the y-axis. Notice again, the x part here is automatically 0 because at the start of the question we substitute x equals 0, so that means that part of the coordinate will automatically be 0. Okay. For this one now, I want you to try this yourself. So we need to find where this equation meets the x-axis. So the first thing you're going to do is substitute y equals 0 into this. Okay, press pause and try this, and then press play then when you want to see the solution. Okay, so when you sub in y is 0, your final answer should be the coordinate 12, 0 and minus 2, 0. Okay, let's try one other one. So here, find for the circle x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 all squared equals 29 meets the y-axis. Okay, so again, if you want to pause and then try this yourself and press play then when you want to see the solution. Okay, so if you try this yourself and you substitute x equals 0, your final answer should be 0, 2 and then 0 minus 8. Okay, so any questions about this, please leave in the comments. Thank you.